Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Alright guys, we're starting another morning cleaning video. Everybody out. Let's go. Let's move. Come on. There we go. Let's go, children. Come on, other way. There we go. Let's go. Other way, buddy. Come on, go that way. Come on, go over there. Come on, go. Let's move. Okay, I gotta move this big guy right here. Hey, you're on my drain. Come on. Come on. You're on my drain. I can't do anything if you're there. Same with you. Come here. Go the other way. Come on. Yeah, move. Come on. You gotta move. Come on. Come on. You gotta get out of the way. Big goofball. Come on, Swampy. Ugh. Oh, goodness. Over there. Step. All right, Swampy. Let's go. Doing this one-handed. Now hold the phone in the other hand. There you go.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
Well, excuse me.
You'll thank me one day.
This is how I get free food all year round, and it's super easy. Step 1, I downloaded a ton of food apps. Literally every single one I could think of. If I missed any, please let me know. Step number 2, I spread my birthdays at each restaurant throughout the entire year, and I keep track of it all on one sheet. Step number 3, just cash in your free birthday food. It's pretty simple. Some places will do a free dessert. Some places do a free drink, and some do food. You're wasting money not doing this. It's so easy. This is how I get free food.
Went turkey hunting and these two cats followed us. It was funny at first, but they wouldn't stop meowing. I was hoping the water would make them stop following. It didn't. Now they are climbing trees making lots of noise. We didn't see a single turkey, and I couldn't be more annoyed.
My parents had just tore down some trees and I found some grubs in the wood. I felt bad for him, so I named him Jerry. He's not the most beautiful animal, but he definitely deserves a second chance. I filled a cup up with some wood and then drilled some holes in the lid, and then gave him a nice little temporary home. I found out that their main diet consists of rotting wood, so I imagined this would be enough for him. I would check in on him every day. until one day I didn't see him. I wonder where he went, so I went there and I looked for him and I found something else. Jerry had grown all up, and he definitely looked different. Honestly, I think Jerry ended up looking more awesome than he did before. I was so excited for Jerry, so to celebrate, I thought we should go somewhere special. I brought him to the beach, which honestly, he loved it. He had never been there before. He was so excited he got to walk on the sand, and we even put him out there. Love nature, guys.
You take 6 feet back up. What the hell? What?
Do you guys remember taking 2 soup cans and a string and making a telephone with your friend? I've made the same kind of thing with solo cups, some metal foil, and a speaker cone spring. But when I put this thing up against my beehive, have y'all ever heard of anything like this before?
Have you seen the state of that doggy? Woof. If I pet it, it better be fluffy. Adiola takes walks like a geezer. Woof, woof. Throw a stick, it will go and retriever.
This is one of the best guessing strategies that you can use on any multiple choice test, and I also know that the SAT is coming up this weekend, so yeah, you better watch. So let's say you're taking a math test and either you have no idea how to do this problem or you have like 10 seconds left and just want to make a guess. So the first thing you want to do is look at the answer choices and eliminate the one that's an outlier, because chances are that's not even the right answer anyway. Then you want to look at the answer choices and find any similarities. So in B and C, I see a -1, and in C and D, I see a -3. Chances are that the answer is most likely the one with the most similarities, so you want to pick C in this case.
Oh hey guys, I'm in the wood right now, and look at this spider. I think she's sleeping or dead. I think she's sleeping. Well, I'm gonna grab it and then put it in my mouth. Oh my gosh, she's so amazing. Oh my gosh, should I eat it? Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Yes, come through, Spider-Man. Let's get sickening. Well guys, let's put her back in her house and we're gonna leave her alone. Yes, goodbye spider, I will see you later. Oh.
Hey Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a chewy. I gave Kiko a chewy. You ate Kiko's chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.
I can't feel any ribs. I think we might have to put her on a DIET diet.
Beatrice, I'll leave the door open so you can escape.
Hey, my physics teacher told me I can't push a string. So I just did it faster and broke physics.
I'm doing a video documentary. Would you mind answering a question for it?
Go to it.
The question's, are you happy?
Am I happy? Are you talking about with the car?
In general.
I'm a little sad I lost my wife. Are you taping me?
Well, yeah, it's a video documentary.
Okay. Yeah. I'm a little sad. I lost my wife.
If you had a message to tell the world, what would it be?
Cherish every minute. Because it all comes to a tragic end.
Thank you. What was your name?
Wally.
Wally DeBron. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm doing a video doc.
It's always just one single dot moving along a path, but as the frequency of the sound or the note you're hearing gets higher and higher, that dot starts to move so fast that it just blends together and looks like solid lines.
What's up, Charlie? Where you been? You might not be homeless after today. I want to show you something.
What you got to show me, Charlie?
Get in.
I want you to type something in.
Type in Richard Hutchins Studio. This is your website.
Wow. Amazing. Look at my name up there. It took all these years, though.
I think your life's gonna change tonight, man. Richard! I'm seeing. Refresh it? You're at 3,800?
Another one.
Another one. Here we go. Let's see what our number is. $21,267. We just hit $51,120. Richard, we just hit $51,000.
Not sure if you knew this. I found this tip a couple months ago, so I've been testing it out and it works so well. But if you put your fruit, like strawberries, in a glass jar in the refrigerator, they stay fresh for 2 to 3 weeks. And I've been testing it out and it works amazing. He just gave him a beer. That is rude. That is rude. Stop.